Have you ever needed a way to keep everybody up to date on what you have going on? Well, a newsletter is a great way to keep everybody on the same page. Get it? Page for newsletter? Welcome to day 14 of Content Repurposing Tutorials, where I'm sharing with you time-saving content ideas for all of you busy creators out there. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a newsletter within Canva. You may be wondering, why would you even create a newsletter and what information would you even put inside of it? Thank you for asking. This is where you can repurpose the messages that you've been sharing on social media. Think of it this way. You can take 3 to 4 things that you've already shared and share it on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. This can help drive your audience who may have missed the information that you shared before and also prepare them for anything that you have upcoming, like offers or special discounts. The main idea is that you are reusing information that you've already shared and putting it inside of one document for other people to read. All right, that's enough explaining. Let's head on over to Canva. Here we are in the wonderful Canva software, and we're going to type in that search bar, newsletter. Press enter. Now we are here. We can look through and see any templates that we like and continue to further customize. Now you can pick a template that has a lot of information or a little information. You can find something that's complex or very simple. We'll choose this one right here. Press customize this template. And this is where we can see kind of what we have going on here. This is a one-pager. This is great. So you can choose 2 or 3 things that you want to share with people, find some images or videos that match what you are sharing, update the text, and keep moving. So let's go over to the example that I made a little bit earlier. So here we have Abby teaching afar, of course, and I recently was a speaker at a coffee event. So I added some pictures that we got from the event, shared a little bit about it, and also I'm sharing about this 30 days of content repurposing tutorials that I'm doing with you all here on YouTube and about the challenges and things of that nature. I'm also shouting out a software that has helped this process become a lot easier, and it's called Descript. If you all haven't tried it before, it has been my lifesaver. If you know how to edit a Word document, then you know how to edit Descript. I have the link in the description below if you want to try it out. It's amazing. But either way, I can take this particular document right here and I can add it to my email list and send it out to them to keep them up to date. So what I would do here is I would just download this as a PDF. You also have a number of different ways that you can share within Canva as well. So you can look and you can share it as a link that people can view. You can share it as a website for people to view right here within the Canva template. You could also share it directly to other social platforms such as LinkedIn. But let's go ahead and press website so I can show you what that looks like. So you convert it into a website. You can choose for it to have navigation or without navigation. You can do free domain, you can purchase a domain, or you can use an existing. We'll just use a free one here and we'll press continue. You can do a page description. This would be great for things like SEO. And then you press publish. It's going to prepare your design. And then you can view the website. So here is your newsletter online. And you can share this web address on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Also, as you can see here, I hyperlinked a couple things that people can click to continue to engage with it. So it takes right here. These days, I'm learning more about how important it is for us to be able to engage with people on and off of social media. So my question for you is, how are you engaging with your audience off of social media? So we're on day 14, and if you've missed any of the previous 13 days, go ahead and check them out, and I'll see you all tomorrow.